So, vertical lines suddenly appeared on your TV screen. Before you assume the display is dead, hold on. First, try these 8 fixes in order. I am pretty sure one of them fixes the issue, unless it's a hardware problem. Let's start with the fixes that work most often. First, disconnect every HDMI cable from the TV. Gaming consoles, streaming sticks, cable boxes, unplug everything. Now turn the TV back on and open the TV menu or settings screen. This part matters. If the vertical lines disappear inside the menu, your TV screen is probably fine. That usually means one of your connected devices or HDMI cables is causing the problem. Reconnect everything one at a time. The moment the lines come back, you've found the issue. At that point, replacing the cable or checking that device is usually the fix. Now, if you have an OLED TV, there's another thing worth trying. Sometimes what looks like a vertical line is actually temporary pixel behavior or image retention. Most OLED TVs have a built-in repair feature called pixel refresher or pixel cleaning. Go into your TV settings, usually under OLED care, panel care, or support, and run the process. It can take a little time, but once it finishes, check the screen again. For some OLED owners, this completely removes the issue. If the lines are still there, do a full power reset, and no, just turning the TV off with the remote doesn't count. Unplug the TV from the wall completely, then find the physical power button on the TV itself and hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps drain leftover power trapped inside the system. Now leave the TV unplugged for around 15 to 30 minutes, then plug everything back in and turn it on. This fixes more TVs than people expect, especially after power outages, software crashes, or random glitches. Next, check how the TV is getting power. If it's plugged into a surge protector, extension board, or smart plug, disconnect it. Plug the TV directly into the wall outlet instead, and if possible, try another socket. Power fluctuations can sometimes trigger strange display problems, including vertical lines. It sounds simple, but this one catches a lot of people off guard. Now let's rule out software. Go into your TV settings and check for a firmware or system update. Install any available update, restart the TV, and check the screen again. There are plenty of cases where a bad update caused the issue, and another update fixed it. If nothing has worked so far, try a factory reset. This gives the TV a completely fresh start and removes corrupted settings that may be causing display issues. Just remember, this will erase your apps, accounts, and saved settings. So, only move to this step after trying the easier fixes first. Now here's something most people never think about. Overheating. If the lines appear only after the TV has been on for a while, heat could be the reason. A quick test is to remove the back cover and point a small fan toward the internal power board area. If the lines suddenly disappear, overheating is likely the issue. In some cases, simply cleaning dust buildup inside the TV improves airflow and solves the problem. If the problem still hasn't gone away, the issue may be inside the TV. Loose ribbon cables are a surprisingly common cause of vertical lines. Unplug the TV, remove the back cover, and locate the ribbon cables connected to the display and T-con board. Carefully disconnect and reconnect them one at a time. Even a slightly loose connection can interfere with the signal and create lines on the screen. Now, if you only see one thin line or a few lines that never move, there's a chance this is a panel connection issue called tab bond failure. A quick test is to gently press near the edge of the screen where the line appears. If the line flickers, changes, or disappears, that usually confirms it. Some people temporarily fix this by placing a small thermal pad or folded tape to maintain pressure. But keep in mind this is usually temporary, not permanent. If none of these fixes worked, the display panel itself may be failing. At that point, replacing the panel or sometimes the TV becomes the only long-term solution. And that's it.